Here is our walk around of the 2016 Audi A4. It is an S-Line package. This car has brand new tires and brand new front brake pads and rotors. Here's the rear seat. Nice room for some, medium to small people. There is a spare tire. Lots of cars don't have spare tires today. Pretty big trunk. The trunk does appear to fold down, so let's see what that looks like over here. Yep, trunk folds down back here. The rear seats fold down, I should say. And there's nice room for both front passengers in this car. So even though it's kind of a small car, there's still some pretty good leg room in it for the front passengers. We'll start the car up. Sounds nice. Here we have volume control on the steering wheel right here. We do have our, over on this side, this can adjust your radio presets right there in the middle of the dash. Kind of nice to have. Everything's at the control right here on the steering wheel. Over here is your headlights and fog lights and auto. Auto lights are awesome. I always just leave them on auto. To open the rear trunk, there's a button way down here. Pull that, the rear trunk opens. This is an automatic transmission. Pull it into drive right there. Electric parking brake. So to activate the parking brake, you pull that. Now the parking brake's on. Radio. That'll turn the radio on. Turn the radio up and down. Glove box over there. Here is all of our climate control. It has dual zones for heating. Just has one fan speed with dual temperature zones. And we are asking $15,900 for this car. Come on down to Charlie's Foreign Car, 751 2nd Street.